Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to cover the unboxing and the setup for the first batch of Kevin's small batch R2R DTF printer. So if we go to bchtechnology.com and we click DTF and the small batch R2R, I only take pre-orders and the first batch is all sold out. You guys are hardcore loyal fan. Put down $2,000 to somebody on the internet who says he may be able to build a DTF printer for you. I expect to get this done in 4 weeks, but eventually it's almost 10 weeks. You guys really good to me. As I explained in the emails, first, the paint shop didn't take us seriously. We only got a couple units, so they put us on hold, and they get the big orders done. Then after they're done, and there's some parts that I don't like and did a modification, but I was lucky. They took it back and repented and didn't let me wait a second time. In the meantime, I find out this printer prints really fast. It's better to have a new formula on the white ink that can handle the high speed. So I got that one done. And also, I find the AcroRIP and what's another one, the K-Link, but they're not ready to handle XP600 printers at all. And I'm going to show you why. So went ahead and wrote the whole RIP software. I know that the first batch I said I'm not going to include any RIP software, but however, you need it. So I rewrote it. This video, I'm going to cover how to work with that RIP software. In the package, you're going to see inks. We voted what color the first batch will be, and the winner is black. Here's the box for the parts. And in there, we got a USB cable, power cable, and the front plate. For the film roller, I'm going to cover it when doing the installation, and those two arms hold down the roller. And let's close this up and take a look at the printer itself. Pretty slick, huh? The printer, if you put it next to a ET8550 box, I can see it's about the same length. And then a comparison of ET8550. We're going to take off the protective film and all the wrappings and remove the blue tapes that are protecting the printer. And here we go. And here's the waste ink tank. And I'll open up the white ink tank. There's a magnetic stir inside. And just double check in case I took the wrong medication. This looks like just like a white pill. If you look into other tanks, the other tank won't have it. Only the white ink tank has it. All right. And now we take that box of parts and start unwrapping. First, we're going to install these arms for the film roller. I don't know how to describe it. Is the arm is kind of go outwards, make it wider, okay? And also the screws are in triangular arrangement. There's no way you can install it wrong. So we remove 3 screws for each arm, and we put the arm on it, and the arm go outward. And then we put a screw back. And we're going to use the Phillips number 2 screwdriver bit. On the roller rod, you have a tension brake, so your film will not unwind itself on the rod. It's easier to explain this with a real film. So we put the film on. The half moon thing can sit on the arm like this. It is an unwind tension brake that prevents your roller from ejecting too much film. And now we fix the plate, and I already including a screw for tighten up the 2 stop plate. And put a power plug in, and the USB cable goes through the case on the left side. And install the film ejection plate turn the printer on, you're going to hear the mixer start working. If you want to take a peek, it doesn't have ink, so it won't really work. It only works when you have ink. It's working. And now we have a large LCD control panel, which it didn't have it in the last version. And here's the paper feed. And this is the nozzle check. And now we can put the film in and press the forward button and load the film. Warning, this power button, okay, if it's not all white, the printer is not on. So when you press it and the printer is on, it's going to be white. And it's a little bit confusing. So I decided to change it in the second batch. It will show like power off, and then you press it and it says power on. So this version still have the old one. You guys see I'm a repair person and share lots of my repair knowledge on the YouTube. And also I print a lot. So I know exactly what you need for a DTF printer. I started this small batch program and I only built a certain amount of printers. The idea is we helping each other and build exactly the printer we need. I want your feedbacks. I want you to tell me exactly what went wrong and what suggestion you have and how can we improve this. So I created this Facebook group, and you go to facebook.com and /groups and / number is 218-628-7365-464738, or you search for Kevin Small Batch DTF and RIP. Either way, I want to make this a private group. I don't want it to be public, and I don't want to be too many people, like just random internet folks just coming here and say, "Oh, what is this?" Anyway, hope we can discuss lots of those printer and RIP related questions there. Okay, quiz. What went wrong? Why the printer doesn't respond to you? Answer, the printer is not on. Right, turn on the printer, and we're going to install some software. The driver is straightforward. If you cannot find the USB port, it's because you didn't turn the printer on. So make sure you turn the printer on, the icon is white, and then your printer can find the USB connection. I won't spend too much time on the adjustment program or the driver installation. If I have a problem, just post it on the Facebook group so everybody else can see it, and then we can help each other out. I take sure that I mount correctly on the adjustment program. So this is USB 18. And now you can use this adjustment program to reset your ink counter and troubleshoot your problems. And also, we're going to use this program to initialize the printer. We're going to drag down and select the port. And then we click OK. And then we click the particular adjustment, which is the button on the right. I can't remember if they offer ink charge when you install the driver or not. Anyway, so let's do it the hard way. And we're going to click ink charge and say OK. And the initial ink charge. And here you also can print another check if you want. It's probably going to be blank. Yeah. Yeah, okay, reverse. We click the ink charge button next to the initial ink charge, and you're going to wait at least like 6 to 7 minutes for the ink to be charged into the damper. And then after it's done, we can do a nozzle check. This looks much better. I don't have CalLink, so I just quickly show you how to use the AcroRIP. Underneath on the tabs, we select printer. And in the printer port, you're going to select whatever port that you mounted the printer on. I think ours is 18. And above the printer port, that's the printer profile. You select EcoTank L18050 beta. And on the printer resolution, you can do 720 But for thicker white, you want to select 1440 by 1440. For the color sequence, you want to be KWMCYW. And click Save. And then we can do a print. And we want a color first, white plus color, and print. And that will get you started. I do have a K-Link, but idea is the same. My software is going to be available soon, maybe tomorrow. So by the time you receive the printer, the first version of release is ready. And I'm going to shoot another video showing how to use that software. I think it's much better than AcroRIP. I don't have K-Link, but by the way they write K-Link, I think it'll be better than them. Anyway, so this is a print from the AcroRIP. It's really good. Okay. But my RIP software is going to make it super good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.